Hello guys, thank you very much for watching my all videos and I welcome all of you to my Mac Forex YouTube channel. If you are my subscriber already at my channel, so you know very well I always try my best to bring for you the very best Forex strategies. You can see at my channel also I always try my best to bring for you the best strategy, and I always try to give you the teaching to give you the detail in very easy method, because if you're a beginner, it's my desire, it's my target, you easy understand my strategy. So today we will discuss about this system. You can see at my screen, I will show you in full screen. You can see here. So today we will talk about this trading software which will automatically calculate for you the trend line, calculate for you the high and low levels, and give you the signal of trading. For example, if you are a beginner and you don't know where is the exact point of the sell entry, where is the exact point of the buy entry, so you can easily utilize this software, and you just follow the indication of the system and can do trade as per your own, like a manual trading. This is not automatic system. Basically this software give you the prediction of the market, what is happening in next like a 30 or 40 minutes. Before discuss with about this software, I request to all of you, if you are new at my YouTube channel, like and subscribe this channel and press this bell icon for further best videos, because I want to grow the community as soon as possible, and I want in future I want to become like an online daily basis online trading teaching. So thank you so much. So let's start on the topic. So you can see here on the screen, this software automatically give you the sell entry and stop loss and take profit of the give you the exact point of the take profit. For example, you can see here I have attached. I will try to teach you step by step. For example, this is the Australian USD pair. I am attaching this on this chart, and you can see here this indicator give you the, this was the high level. Okay, this indicator give you the sell entry automatically. You can see here this indicator give you the sell entry at this point and take profit. First take profit is this, and the left side. Okay, I will I want to change, and I want to give you the proper information. You can see here this indicator automatically give you the signal of sell point. This indicator give you the signal you can sell at this point 0.7251. okay, so now the price is 0.7228. you can see the 30 points more market is already down, and the take profit is 0.7211. so it's mean only after 15 points your take profit will hit. So it's mean this indication is going in your favor. Okay, so this is the take profit 1, and this is the take profit 2. For example, if your first take profit hit, you can move your entry point at this first at the point of first take profit. For example, you sell here at this point, for example. Okay, so first take profit is there. When market is come at this point, you don't need to close the trade. You need to move your entry point at this level and wait to hit that second level of take profit. So I hope you understand about this indicator, about this best software which automatically give you the best signal. Okay, so now let's attach and check the result of the other indicator. You can see here this indication also given you the sell signal 16.19, but now the market is 16.16. okay, this is the exact signal. Now you can sell, because today I'm making this video on Sunday and market is off. Otherwise this was the exact entry point. You can see here this is the exact entry point. You can sell here, you can set the take profit at this point. Okay, so second one, this is the sell signal also. You can see here sell signal, and market is going down. You can see here your GBP. This is also sell signal. You can see sell, market is going down. Euro Canadian, sell Euro Australian. I want to show you basically different kind of. This is a buy signal, this indicator giving you can see here, this is a buy signal, this is the stop loss, and this is the take profit one. So simply this is the this indicator automatically calculate for you the entry and exit point, and you can trade follow this indication of this indicator. You can see here this indicator give you the sell entry here 1.4275. Okay, 1.4271, but the market is little bit up. Stop loss is 1.496. Okay, this is the stop loss, and this is the take profit one. So as per my judgment, as per my back test of this indicator, I have got very good results, like a 80 to 90% surety this indicator will work very good for you. But one more thing, before enter in the market, if you're a new, you need to follow the news also. Okay, if there is no, for example, you want to trade in Euro Canadian, this indicator give you the signal of selling here and take profit here. Second take profit is there. So before enter in the market, you need to check about the news of Euro or Canadian. In there are many kind of news websites also available. For example, I go there, I check about the Forex Factory is also good for news, currency trading news. Okay, so before enter in the market, you need to check the news. If there is no any kind of high impact news, there is no any kind of medium impact news, then you can easily follow this indication and can sell as per this indication. Okay, but if this indicator giving you the sell signal, and at the same time like after 1 hour or after 2 hours there is coming high impact news, then you need to wait about the news releasing and news impact, and after this you can check again the indication of this indicator. For example, you can see here there is a Euro high impact news, German flash manufacturing. So when you enter in the market, you need to check the news. If there is no any kind of news, you can enter in market. For example, now I am attaching the other currency pair also with this chart. You can see here pound and Canadian. This indicator give me the sell signal. This is also the exact point of sell. Sorry. And you can see here this is the take profit. Then before entering the market, you need to check the news on the Forex Factory in economic calendar. If there is no high impact or medium impact news, then you can follow the trades same with this indicator. I want to tell you about the high impact, medium impact and low impact news also. When there is a red folder, it means there is a high impact news. You can see here on the above side also impact. This is the low impact. When you move the mouse cursor at the folder, this will tell you about the high impact, low impact or medium impact. You can see this is the low impact. These all news are low impact. In low impact you can follow the indication and can trade, but in medium impact you need to wait. This is the medium impact news. This is the high impact news. It means this news, when this time this news will release, this news will high impact on the forex market. That's why I am telling you need to wait if there is any kind of high impact news. Otherwise you can trade as per this trading software indication. Thank you so much for watching my video. If you want this best trading software, you can contact me at my WhatsApp number. I already given my WhatsApp number in every video description. And if you want any kind of discussion about the forex trading system, you can contact with me. Thank you so much for watching these videos. Again, I request to you like and subscribe this YouTube channel for further best strategies and videos. Goodbye.